Got something a little different today. Some sort of Philips shitbox monitor. Now, even though it's not a touchscreen, it definitely looks like it's been used as a touchscreen for some strange reason. And the problem is it's dead as a doornail. Put that in. Now it is sideways at the moment, but we get nothing to that power light. Not getting any sort of standby light. We get jack shite. And after forgetting to hit record, I did take the back panel off, 2 screws out of that and that. And then there's a bunch of plastic clips on the inside of it. So you've just got to get something sharp, flat underneath it and pry it up without breaking it. We're going to have some sort of board in there. It looks like it's only got the one board, so we're going to get this assembly out as well. Looks like we need to do some unplugging from in here. 1, let's do 3, screw there, hold that in. We have our board. So we get 1, 2, 3. We'll also have to take these off. Don't see anything else holding it in, so let's see, yep. Right, so now we've got our raw board. Now, I do not know what everything on this board does, so I'm not even going to pretend to know, but what I think I know to look at. Let's start with some caps and stuff. We're in diode mode, not continuous. Good. Some caps from the back. Oh, we can tell what they are, SAC and stuff. Okay. Oh, have a look. Cap should not be continuous. That one is. That one is. Those 2 are, which is not good. Diodes. Also continuous, not good. What about you? No, see that one's not beeping there. That's something going on here then. Maybe if we take one of them off, start from the bottom, work our way up, and see what still beeps afterwards. Got a question for you all. Are you creative? PCBWay is once again hosting their project design contest. PCBWay are passionate about engaging with the community and inspiring more people to get on board with electronic design. With 3 different project categories to choose from and months to put it together, it gives everyone an opportunity to get involved. And of course, it wouldn't be a contest without awesome prizes. Now, if you can't participate, you can still check out their web store where they sell awesome tools, toys, and merch. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Take off Mr. Diode at the bottom first. See what happens, otherwise we'll move on to the next one. First one's off. Okay, look at that. The one above it is no longer continuous. There are caps. The caps are no longer continuous, so that's a good thing too. So that little thing there seems to be the problem. I'm going to replace one, or replace both. Meter and diode mode. I'm just going to check them now that they're out, which one was definitely dodgy. Yeah, it's only one of them. That one actually gives us a reading. So that one's definitely faulty. So it says 5100. So let's see. It's 5100. Let's see. It's 5200. Different shape with a bit of modification will hopefully work and do the job. We need to give it a snip. As you can see, a pack of 10 cost me just under $2.27. So if you do the maths, that means just under 50 cents for both on this repair. No, that should fit on there now. Do that to the other one. Line up the line on the diode to the line on the board. Clean up the pads. Fresh solder on. Do it flux first. We have 2 new diodes on there. they're not continuous anymore. Let's put that together and see what happens. Moment of truth. Ta-da! So a couple of shitty diodes, and that thing lives to watch more adult movies.